Yeah man, big up on the rat itself. Yes man. Fun food factory, factory food fun. So here I have my kales and I'm doing today some mulching. So this is grass that I cut from the lawn and I put it in a pan here and I just do like this because what I'm doing, I'm trapping the moisture and also depressing the weeds because what's happened, mulch, this is mulch grass, yeah. What mulch do, when it breaks down, it contributes nutrients to the plants. It suppress weeds, meaning slower or what should I say, reduce or totally cut off the growth of weeds. Weeds are plants that you don't want where they are growing, so these are unwanted plants. So right now I'm doing kale. This is my little garden. I think you see it already on my previous videos. So these are my kales. They want help. See that yellow in the leaf? That's a lack of nitrogen. So I'm gonna add some manure to them. But first, which mulch is a part of a manure, but it won't be enough. Yeah, so I'm doing some mulching and some weed in here because I haven't, put any time in my garden since recently. So, oh boy, I've get so busy, with those two channels, yeah, that motivational channel, knowledgeable, true virgin, and this my food channel, Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. Whoa, yeah. So my people, we have to be self-sufficient. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're even in a housing scheme, you can practice this sustainable agriculture where you plant in these plastic bags. They are called poly bags. They sold at their nearest farm store. You buy them, you create your own medium. That means you get soil, and if the soil does not have enough nutrients, you add manure. It can be fowl manure or rabbit manure. That's the feces of the animal, but you don't use the feces when it's not fully broken down, because what will happen if you use the feces before it's broken down, it will burn the plant because it has a high level of nitrogen within it. So it's the same way if you use the inorganic fertilizer. That's the one they make. That's a manufactured fertilizer. If you throw it directly on the plants, it will burn the plants, most of them, right? So you have to realize that the feces of the animal is no different. It's high in nitrogen. Most of the feces, the one that is highest is rat bat feces. That is why the marijuana growers, that's a manure they use in Jamaica, the marijuana growers. So yeah, the second ice I think is rabbit. Yeah, normally, well, I think the birds, because the birds, when you go in the the cubs with the birds, like when you rear, they call them birds for meat. You can smell that high ammonia content when you're turning the litter. The litter is this thing on the floor that absorb the feces, like sawdust, wood shavings. All right, so as you know, this is my little backyard garden. I have mulch my escallion and my thyme yesterday, so let me let you have a look at them. All right, wow, these are beautiful. Yeah, you see my scallion? Yeah, I had these and they were looking like they were dying, but you see that they have been resurrected. I plant them and I mulch them and start water them, because just like plants, just like humans, all we need is just basic necessities: food, an habitat, and no one to disturb our premises, and fresh air and sunlight, of course, and we will do so wonderful. But a lot of us, our minds has been distracted, thinking that we should want more than that. And when we go into that dissatisfactory mode, what happened? We start stressing out, and when you stress out, your immune system goes down, and then your body cannot help to defend yourself, and then you get sick. And sometimes we're not eating the right food to satisfy our hunger, so that also is killing us. Yes. Yeah, I have over here to weed out also. Yeah, these are my kales. There's a pepper plant here, see? You only can see it. And here I'm doing my seed bed. See, I'm clearing the place. You see? Yeah, these want to be taken care of. I just reaped my marijuana field out there. I have them in storage, dry, and I also sent some to my friends. Yeah, and this is my new spinach plant. Wow, this is like the best thing I have here right now. I love this so much. See, it runs and it runs, and when you get the plant like this, you cannot lose this plant again, because it will create millions of seeds. Spinach, very high in iron. Yes, for women who lose blood every month. Yeah, this is a good diet for you. Look at this leaf. Look at the size of this leaf. Wow. Beautiful. You can see that they are glossary, green and lush. You see strength in this plant, spinach. Yes, and here I create, they call this like a compost. I throw all my peeling skins right at the root of my straight leaf cabbage. This is the cabbage before it is genetically modified, so the leaf are very straight. If I should remove one, look, they are not fold. And these, I tell you, they are wonderful. I had to add this. I cut these for my natural salad bowls. This pepper tree thought that it would die, but I resurrect it from the dead, and now it's coming back, right? This is peppermint. This is what made peppermint. The extract from this plant make peppermint. It has a very sweet, nice. All right, good. So that is it for Fun Food Factory, Factory Food Fun. Yeah, those are my banana walk out down there. This is they call this a honey banana or the bumpy banana, but it's not ready yet. I remove the blossom that would be here so that the plant can concentrate on the nutrients to produce food, which are the fingers of the banana. All right, so I'll see you around. Keep in touch. Fun Food Factory, Factory Food Fun. Big up on the rat itself. Yes, I love you all.